Hi, welcome back to my channel, Fabulously Frugal and Fancy. I'm Brandy. Today's video is a little different. I know I'm outside and our project today does take place outside. We are doing some outdoor arts and crafts with kids. Now I have two special guests with me today. My niece, who is 3 years old, her name is Alira. My nephew, who is 12 years old, his name is Joey. And they really helped me out with this. They had a wonderful time. They really enjoyed this and their artwork turned out beautifully. So just let's do some fabulous artwork out here in the yard in this beautiful weather today, and I'll see you at the end. You can sit down and poke it, that way you get more covered if you want.
Yes.
Nope, on the other side.
As long as it has all the
Camera's over here. Joey, the other side, where you're facing me.
I gotta get up.
Yep.
This is a lot of work. It's gonna look so cool.
Alira,
I don't want to do this. No.
just get down on your knees.
Now that I'm knowing I'm going on YouTube, I don't want to do this anymore. It's not gonna go on YouTube. She's gonna have.
Nobody else will see it. I'll blur out your face if you're chicken.
Okay.
I will. I'll put a little. Okay, ready? Aha! Get it over your paint. That's perfect. Keep going.
Do it right over the picture.
Over the picture, though, Alira. Over your painting, not over on your lap. Put it over.
Take your glasses off, Joey.
Yeah, maybe that'd be a good idea.
Yeah.
What I do?
Hold it over the painting, and you do it again.
Oh yeah, close your eyes. Hold it closer.
Why did I get so much from it?
Because
Not Alira.
Right, hold the balloon.
do you see Alira's yellow legs?
Yes.
Alira, hold it by the flap.
Yeah, hold it and closer to the painting.
Yeah, hold it right over top of your painting.
That was cool.
Yeah, spread it around if you want. Alira, pop that one.
Yeah, right on top.
It got in my eye.
Ah, perfect.
You keep getting the.
Keep going, Alira.
I'm destroyed. Pretty. Oh, I got
She loves
more.
orange and blues. She loves all color,
Close
but
your eyes when you pop it.
Wait, I placed the pin down.
Oh,
I found it.
okay. Good job.
Oh no. Alira. Where is it now? I can't. Don't pop it, Alira. Don't.
wait a second, Alira. Alira, wait.
I can't pick it up.
It's got a ball on the end of it.
Okay, there you go. Put it on the other, like put one closer to that side so you can
Yeah,
get some on
so
that
you
side.
get
You too, Alira. Put it over there.
Alira, put it over here on this side. Put it over this way.
So you can get the top.
Hold
of
it up here. Hold it right here. And then
Hold
pop it there.
Close your eyes when you pop it.
Woo!
That one came out good.
That was nice.
Here's
Perfect.
one more.
Joey, get yours up the corner. Right there. Yep. No,
Yeah.
turn your face. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. I am.
Oh my goodness.
It's like staining.
Alira, sit down on your knees there. Joey, the other side.
There you go. Two different kinds. I don't want to sit. I'll stand.
And then you're going to use the straw and you're going to blow the paint. Oh, that's cool. Should I give it 2 straws each? Just blow it around wherever you want. It's okay. Alira I did quite a bit on hers too. So what did you think of the artwork? I know it's a little messy to get it all set up. It was me that got it all set up. I did make a mess. My hands were various colors, but the kids had a blast. They really enjoyed it. They had so much fun. And this is a craft that can be done with a wide variety of ages. Obviously, I had a 3-year-old and a 12-year-old, and they both had a blast with both of these art projects. And they just really enjoyed themselves. I enjoyed watching them. We had some other people watching, and it was just a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comments down below if this is something you would try with your kids or your nieces or nephews or your classroom. You'd have to be prepared to make a mess. And you know, my niece, she even wore a shirt that was brand new. Her mom got it at the Dollar Tree, and it was white, and it had the word blessed on it. And then when she popped all the balloons, it sprayed all over the shirt, and now she has an art shirt as well that is decorated. And it was just a lot of fun. So we enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it too. And we will see you next time. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.